Hey guys, so today is your second review video. We are starting where we left off with quarter notes and half notes, D, E, and F sharp. We're working on those D string notes quite a bit. Gonna go through a lot of stuff quickly. Hopefully this helps you keep learning to read the notes on the staff without writing anything in. So look at number 37 in your books to start with. We're gonna start with 37. 37 has D, E, and F sharp. Think about where that open D is, and then E is up one spot on the staff, and F sharp up another spot. Let's try it. Number 37, first time. Set that bow about in the middle. Get your fingers ready. 1, 2, ready, go. So hopefully that went well. Something new in this one that we didn't do yesterday in the songs that you played yesterday is that you're skipping from open D to F sharp. Okay, you're skipping that E, going straight from open D to F sharp. So if you look at measure 2, you have an open D half note, and then in parentheses there's a little note that's on an E before your half note F sharp. So all they're saying there is that you need to put that finger down, your first finger down, for the E before you play the F sharp also. So when you're not just going from open D to the finger you need for F sharp, but you're putting down first finger also, okay? Let's try that one again. Go straight through. Think about your intonation, playing in tune. Listen and make sure your F sharp is high enough that you're playing the same note as me. Number 37 again. Straight through. Bow right in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's keep going. Really, I'm just trying to give you a lot of practice reading these notes on the staff. Turn the page, please, and the next one we're going to do is number 40. Find number 40, French folk song. And something new on this page is the bow lift. So you see close to the top of this page, it says new idea, bow lift. And it looks like a comma. It is a comma. But in our music, in string music, that means that we're going to lift the bow, usually to do another down bow, okay? Usually to do another down bow. So look at number 40, halfway through, above that rest, above the half rest, you've got a bow lift. We're going to play the open D, lift the bow, and be ready for the next beat 1. Let's try it. Number 40, we're still just playing D, E, and F sharp. Practicing reading those 3 notes on the staff. Here we go. Set your bow in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift and set. Good. So let's practice that bow lift really quick. I want you to play a half note open D down bow, lift and set, and then another open D. Okay? Watch me first. I'll start in the middle. Lift, set. Try that with me now, please. Set your bow around the middle, maybe a little lower. Open D and then lift. Ready, go. Lift and set. Good. So when I say set is exactly when that bow should hit the string. We use that as like a rhythmic thing to help us be ready for the next note. So let's try that one again. Number 40, French folk song. Reading D, E, and F sharp, lifting the bow in the middle. Number 40, set your bow close to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift, set. Good. So remember that our half notes, the ones that are empty, the notes that are not filled in, are half notes, and those are worth 2 beats. Half note, half note. And we have quarter notes that are worth 1 beat. Since we're in 4/4 time, we have 4 beats in a measure, and we can fit 4 quarter notes into that measure, or we can fit 2 half notes into that measure. If you look at measure 4 in French folk song, the measure with the lift, you see a half note, open D, and then you see a half rest. Remember that half rest goes above the line, above the center line, like a hat. Goes on top. The half rest goes on top of the line. A half rest is worth 2 beats, just like a half note is worth 2 beats. Let's go on. We're going to play number 47. Look at the next page, number 47. Number 47 adds a new note. Now we're adding the note G. So we've played open D, E, F sharp, and we're adding G. Look at the box at the top of page 21, the box that's in blue, and you see your open D, your E, first finger, F sharp, and G. It has a little thing like this between the F sharp and G. And that's because F sharp and G are a half step apart. Your fingers are close, violin and viola. Cello, your fingers, all 4 fingers are a half steps apart. So when you play first finger to third finger, that's a whole step. When you play third finger to fourth finger, that's a half step. Let's try number 47, leave fingers down. This just goes from open D, a scale up to G. Let's try it, please. Number 47. Set your bow in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's just a little scale just on the D string up to G. We're going to do that again. Just to explain how this book works, a lot of books do this. All those numbers underneath your staff in number 47, they're just showing you where you hold your fingers down. So once you put your first finger down for E, you leave it down and build up to F sharp and G. We don't pick first finger up when we play F sharp. Okay, that's something that we want to do while you're learning to play, and then later on we don't have to do it anymore, but right now it's a good thing to do. Let's try that one again. Keep your bow moving in quarter notes, use a lot of bow, and then slow bow for half notes. Here we go. Number 47 again. Instrument up, good posture. If we don't have good posture, it's just not going to work. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now, before we go on to our next one, I have a secret word for you. This is going to come up in your Google form. I want you to know that your secret word today is rainbow. Okay? Remember that? Your secret word today is rainbow. Don't forget it. Rainbow is your secret word. Okay? All right, now we're going to play number 49. Look down the page a little bit at number 49. Still D, E, F sharp, and G. Let's try it. Instrument up, set your bow on the string. Look at your first few notes so you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just again, reading these notes, they're kind of going up and down now, so you have to read the direction that the note goes, okay? If you're on a D and your next note is up higher, you think, is that all the way? Is it skipping notes? Is it going up to F sharp? Or is it going space, line, like a scale? And that one was going space, line, like a scale. No skipping quite yet. Let's just try that one again. Let's read straight through again. 49, set your bow in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry guys, I messed up. Let's try that again. Here we go. Number 49, I'll play on an open D this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry about my mistake there. I keep forgetting I'm on a viola, not a violin. So we've got D, E, and F sharp, and we added some G. Let's do one more. We're going to play number 50. Number 50. This one adds the open A. Here we go. Number 50. Starting on an open D again. Look at those first few notes so you know what we're going to be doing. Try to look ahead while you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We want to cut off right together at the end. Let's just read that one again. We're just getting a lot of practice going through here. Here we go. Number 50 again, from the beginning of number 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. All right, that's it for today. Make sure that you do your Google form next. Fill that out. That's kind of like your attendance for doing this. So fill out that Google form and then come on back to class, please. Thanks.